Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 11 coolest car gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Car Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. The Baseus Cool Ride Windshield Sunshade Umbrella Cluster is designed for optimal sun protection, featuring a durable glass, fiber rib, and polyester fabric combination. Its reflective polyester coating offers an excellent cooling effect, ensuring your vehicle stays cooler on hot days. With hemmed edges and an extended design, it provides a wider coverage for superior sun shielding. This eco-friendly and highly compatible sunshade is easy to use and an essential accessory for keeping your car's interior protected from harmful UV rays. Number 2. Baseus Car Inflator Pump. The Baseus Mini Inflator Pump is a compact and powerful tool designed for your car's needs. With a 12V working voltage and a wide inflation pressure range of 0.2 to 150 psi, it ensures efficient tire inflation. Its built-in LED light and LED display make it easy to use in low-light conditions. The mini inflator is lightweight at just 315 G, and with a 3-meter charging cable, it offers excellent portability and convenience for car owners on the go. Number 3. 12V LED DRL Strips. The ultra-thin, flexible LED light strips offer super bright amber yellow flowing lights as turn signals and daytime running lights. These lights are designed for easy installation, fitting snugly between headlights and the hood without needing to disassemble the headlights. Bendable and customizable, the strips can be cut and reshaped to suit your vehicle's needs. With an IPX9 waterproof rating, these lights are dustproof, splashproof, and highly durable. Ideal for car headlights, taillights, and more, they ensure safety and style. Number 4. Think Car OBD2 Scanner. The Think Car code readers and scan tools offer advanced diagnostic capabilities with Bluetooth connectivity for seamless use. The device supports software updates and comes equipped with the latest 2022 software and hardware versions. It provides multi-language support, including English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, and Turkish, making it accessible for users worldwide. Certified with CE, this tool is designed for efficient vehicle diagnostics, ensuring accurate results and ease of use for car owners and professionals alike. Number 5. Telescoping Car Wash Brush. The Narzrai E-Chenille Cleaning Broom Wash Brush is an essential tool for both car wash and home cleaning tasks. Made with high-quality sponges, cloths, and chenille materials, it offers superior cleaning performance. With a lightweight design weighing only 0.48 kilograms and an adjustable length of 50 to 102 centimeters, it provides easy maneuverability to reach all areas. Ideal for effective dirt removal, this versatile brush is perfect for cleaning vehicles, windows, floors, and more, making it a must-have in your cleaning arsenal. Number 6. Foam Sprayer. The Narzrai E Multifunction Foam Cannon is a versatile tool that includes 2 spray nozzles for various tasks. One nozzle dispenses snow foam for cleaning cars, windows, or bicycles, while the other provides a fine mist for watering plants and flowers. It operates manually, eliminating the need for a power washer or garden hose. The stainless steel foaming nozzle ensures durability, and the 75-ounce tank offers extended spray time. Equipped with Viton HD seals and a pressure release valve, this tool is both safe and efficient. Easy to assemble and maintain, it's an essential addition to your cleaning and gardening toolkit. Number 7. BlueDriver Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. BlueDriver OBD2 Scanner is the ultimate tool for DIY mechanics and car owners seeking professional-grade diagnostics. This Bluetooth-enabled device easily connects to your smartphone or tablet, providing a wireless solution to read and clear codes from your vehicle's OBD2 port. BlueDriver offers enhanced vehicle diagnostics including ABS, airbag, SRS, and TPMS codes, plus live data for real-time vehicle health monitoring. With a user-friendly app, access repair videos, step-by-step guidance, and unlimited repair reports. Number 8. 2K Dash Camera Kawa D5. The Kawa Dash Cam Front D5 combines compact design with advanced functionality for an enhanced driving experience. Its voice control allows hands-free operation to capture photos and lock videos. With 1296p QHD resolution and enhanced night vision, it ensures clear footage day or night. The built-in Wi-Fi and app control make it easy to view footage and receive updates. Features like a built-in G-sensor, emergency recording, and loop recording provide added security, while its heat-resistant design ensures reliability in all conditions. A lifetime warranty ensures peace of mind. Number 9. Garage Gate Control with Smartphone. The Maras Garage Door Opener offers seamless remote control via the Maras app, allowing you to open or close your garage door from anywhere with an internet connection. No subscription fees required. It supports voice control through Apple HomeKit, Siri, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and CarPlay. Compatible with over 200 brands, it provides precise and stable operation with notifications and app records to monitor your garage door status. Easy to install and troubleshoot, this opener enhances convenience and security for your home. Number 10. Car Engine Fault Code Reader. The Incel AD310 OBD2 scanner is a top-rated tool praised by auto experts like Scotty Kilmer. It quickly reads and clears trouble codes, checks live data, freeze frame, and vehicle info, helping you diagnose the check engine light without visiting a mechanic. Compact and sturdy, it features a 2.5-foot cable and a large, clear screen for easy use. Supporting all OBDI protocols, it's compatible with most cars, trucks, and SUVs from 1996 onward, making it a perfect home tool for fast, accurate diagnostics. Number 11. Electric Rechargeable Air Duster. The cordless air duster delivers powerful performance with a motor reaching up to 100,000 RPM and adjustable airflow across 3 settings for customized cleaning. It's equipped with a Type-C fast charging cable, fully charging in 3 to 4 hours and offering 20 to 40 minutes of continuous operation. The high-definition LED display shows battery life and airflow settings, an eco-friendly alternative to compressed air. It's versatile with 5 nozzles and 3 brushes for cleaning electronics, vehicles, and more. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for home, office, and car cleaning. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.